Namaskar children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Once again I am Kavita Krishnani. Now let's start with prayer 3 times Om Bhurvusva. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhurvusva Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Relax. Now children, today I will teach you how to draw insect. Now which letter is this children? Which letter is this? Y. Again I write Y and then half circle, another side half circle, again I will write Y, half circle, now again Y, half circle, another half circle. Now children, which insect is this? Butterfly. Which insect is this? Butterfly. Okay. Now next I have to draw one circle, again one circle, slipping line and half circle, again one circle, slipping line and half circle, again circle, slipping line and half circle. Draw 2 eyes, antenna, again circle, again circle, slipping line, half circle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Two eyes. Draw antenna. Now children, now tell me which insect is this? Which insect is this? Children, now tell me which insect is this? Mosquito. Right. Now next I will draw one circle, again one circle, and then small circle, again big circle, small circle and oval shape. Right. Now again circle, small circle and oval shape. Draw leg, antenna, eyes. Now children, now tell me which insect is this? Ant. What is the color of ant? What is the color of ant? Black. Now again butterfly. How to draw butterfly? But first again Y and then half circle, then half circle and small half circle, then butterfly is ready, then mosquito, and then ant. Okay. Now children, today I will teach you insect. Insect are always small and tiny living creatures, right? Some insect can fly and some insect cannot fly. Some insect have 6 legs and some insect have 8 legs, right? So I will do some activity about insect. Okay. I have some cutouts for honeybee. Okay. So I will do paint. I take yellow color. Now I will take black color. Now children, keep this plate aside to dry. Okay. Now children, today's class work, page number 20 and 23 in worksheet, and then homework, page number 74 in worksheet. Now our plate has been dry. Now I will stick tail and then stick antenna and then stick wings and stick eyes. Now children, now tell me which insect is this? Honeybee. H for honeybee. Okay. Our activities is done. Now children, which insect is this? Butterfly. Butterfly has very beautiful wings. Before butterfly. Before butterfly. Then ant. Ant are social insect. Ant are social insect. They live and work together in organized. वो क्या करते हैं? साथ में मिलके वर्क करते हैं ना. एंड डू नॉट हैव ईयर्स. इसको एंट को ईयर्स नहीं होते हैं. ओके. ए फॉर एंट. ए फॉर एंड. देन बी. हनी बी गिव अस हनी. हनी बी गिव अस हनी. देन लेडी बर्ड. एल फॉर लेडी बर्ड. एल फॉर ladybird. Then housefly. Which is the common insect see around? Common insect कौन सा है? Housefly is a common insect, right? Which insect make web on wall and ceiling? कौन सा insect वेब बनाता है सीलिंग पे एंड वॉल पे? कौन सा इंसेक्ट बनाता है वेब? Spider. S for spider. S for spider. Now children, now tell me which name the insect which disturb our sleep. जब हम सोते होते तो हमको कौन सा इंसेक्ट बहुत तंग करता है? Mosquito. Where is mosquito? Here. M for mosquito. Which insect give us honey? हमें कौन सा इंसेक्ट हनी देता है? बी. हनी बी गिव अस हनी. हनी बी गिव अस हनी. विच इंसेक्ट इज नो एज द फ्रेंड ऑफ फार्मर? इसमें से कौन सा इंसेक्ट फार्मर का फ्रेंड है? ग्रास होपर. जी फॉर ग्रास होपर. जी फॉर ग्रास होपर. ओके. विच इंसेक्ट इज ब्यूटीफुल कलर विंग्स? किसको ब्यूटीफुल कलर विंग्स होता है? बटरफ्लाई. बिफोर बटरफ्लाई. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, नाउ टेल मी विच इंसेक्ट डैमेज क्रॉप्स? कौन सा इंसेक्ट डैमेज करता है क्रॉप्स को? विच इंसेक्ट डैमेज क्रॉप्स? कैटरपिलर. सी फॉर कैटरपिलर. सी फॉर कैटरपिलर. Page. Now children, take out page number 20 in worksheet. First I have to write classwork and mention date. Now instruction, look at the picture given below and write their first letter in the given box. I will write small letter, okay? Here which creature is this? Fish. So F for fish. Now which creature, water animal is this? Whale. W for whale. W for whale. Then octopus. How many arms octopus have? 8. Right. O for octopus. Then next turtle. T for turtle. T for turtle. Then next dolphin. D for dolphin. Then next crab. C for crab. C for crab. Then seahorse. S for seahorse. S for seahorse. Seahorse look like a horse. Then starfish. S for starfish. S for starfish. Now take out page number 23. write classwork and mention it. Here are the picture of insect and creature. So find out of first letter. Now that we have learned about the big and small creatures, let us help them each to reach at their name first letter, right? Which insect is this? Cockroach. What is the first letter of cockroach? C for cockroach. Then ant. A for ant. Whale. W for whale. Crab. C for crab. Then next starfish. S for starfish. Which creature is this? Dolphin. D for dolphin. Then seahorse. Which is the first letter of seahorse? S for seahorse. Then turtle. T for turtle. Then B for bug. C for cockroach. O for octopus. And H for honeybee. Okay. Now our homework page number is 74 in worksheet. First I have to write HW and mention it. See the picture and write first letter. Butterfly. B for butterfly. Then whale. W for whale. Ant. A for ant. Octopus. O for octopus. Then honeybee. H for honeybee. Fish. F for fish. Turtle. T for turtle. Ladybug. हम लेडीबग का एल भी लिख सकते हैं और सिर्फ बग का बी भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके. देन क्रैब. सी फॉर क्रैब. स्टारफिश. एस फॉर स्टारफिश. देन डॉल्फिन. D for dolphin. Then last cockroach. C for cockroach. Now children, our classwork and homework are done. Thank you children.